Welcome back. And the fear-mongering politics continues. Joining the row is now the AI-MIM chief, Asaduddin Owaisi, as he fear-mongers on the SCs and the STs reservation while claiming that if the BJP comes to power, it will scrap quota for everyone and the party will change the entire constitution.
उन दलित भाइयों से कहना चाहूंगा, उन बैकवर्ड क्लास के भाई बहनों से कहना चाहूंगा, इस मुल्क के आईन और संविधान से मोहब्बत करने वालों से कहना चाहूंगा, ये मोदी का जो नारा है ना 400 पार, ये 400 पार अगर इसको मिलेंगे तो फिर आईन खत्म हो जाएगा। हमारे दलित भाइयों बहनों, तुम्हारा तहफुजात, तुम्हारा रिजर्वेशन खत्म हो जाएगा। बैकवर्ड क्लास के भाई बहनों,
this seems to be the fear-mongering that Asaduddin Owaisi seems to be doing during his election rally, as saying that if the BJP comes to power, it will scrap quota or reservations completely for everyone, including the SCs, the STs, the OBCs as well. But the response that has now been coming in from the BJP side has been that when it comes to reservation based on the basis of religion is something which goes against the very ethos of the constitution, and that needs to be removed. However, saying that even when it comes to the reservations for the backward classes, the SCs and the STs, that will never be touched. Now, the Congress has also picked up on this issue. Even Owaisi has picked up on this issue, as they have been now fear-mongering, especially when it comes to the Muslim community, trying to give out a message saying that if Prime Minister's BJP comes to power in the center once again, then the entire very basis of reservation, which is guaranteed by the Indian Constitution to the SCs, the STs and the OBCs, that will be cut off. Let me go across to Somit now. Somit, do we call it a clear case of fear-mongering, what Congress party has been doing, and now adding to the fire is Asaduddin Owaisi?
Well, it was, all of a sudden Asaduddin Owaisi has jumped in and he made this statement, and basically he said that BJP is, same, even we have heard the same from the Congress leaders, top Congress leaders like Rahul Gandhi, and here Revanth Reddy and others. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has also stated that they only want, BJP only want 400 seats to change the basic structure of the constitution, and they wanted to scrap the reservations, is what the Congress allegation is. At the same time, now Asaduddin Owaisi has jumped in, and he even made the same statement, saying that BJP is wanting, they wanted 400 seats only to change the basic structure of constitution, is what Asaduddin Owaisi has made a big allegation against the BJP.
All right, Somit, thank you for joining in. Well, that is the allegation that is now being levelled by Asaduddin Owaisi as he fear-mongers when it comes to issues like reservations. But even when it comes to the community itself that have been saying that it is suffering like the Jews did under Hitler. Now, this is the allegation that is now being levelled by Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi himself.
जो भारत में आज जो पोजीशन है मुसलमानों की, वो 1930 के हिटलर के ज़माने में जो यहूदियों से जो हरकतें होती थी, वही स्टेज पे हम हैं।
मुसलमानों को क्या गैस चेंबर में डाला जा रहा है?
गैस चेंबर नहीं मैडम, गैस चेंबर आखिरी लिमिट था, आखिरी स्टेप था। क्रिस्टल नाक मूवमेंट हुआ, पिक्चर्स बनना शुरू हुए, हेट स्पीचेस होते रहे, पूरा उसका तरीका है वो जो किया जा रहा है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर, हमारा प्राइम मिनिस्टर ये कह रहा है कि हिंदू महिलाओं के गले से मंगलसूत्र निकाल कर मुसलमान दिया जाएगा। मैं आपके सामने बैठा हूँ, मैं घुसपैठी हूँ, मैं घुसपैठी हूँ का बताइए। 17 करोड़ मुसलमानों को प्रधानमंत्री घुसपैठी कहते हैं। भाई आप नहीं रहेंगे, मोदी जी नहीं रहेंगे, देश तो रहेगा ना, चुनाव हो जाएगा। आप मुझे कह रहे हैं बच्चे ज़्यादा पैदा करते। एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर इलेक्शन जीतने के लिए आप पूरी माइनॉरिटीज को कह रहा है घुसपैठी। हिटलर भी यही कहता था, दे आर नॉट ओरिजिनल जर्मन्स। अब आप बताइए, ये जबान प्राइम मिनिस्टर को जेब देती है क्या? बोलिए।